As we have seen in previous tutorials, the walls and partitions of Dibac delimits the boundaries of the project. This is very useful to display the areas of enclosures almost automatically. If I click on the area icon, a window pops up in which I can choose different methods to calculate the surface of the enclosure. Let's start with enclosed area. I can also choose the verification color that indicates the area that is selected when clicking on a wall. This method allows me to click on any line of a wall or partition, and Dibac will show me the whole area that this line belongs to. I just have to move the text and click again to locate it. Now I can finish the insertion by doing a right click. I can repeat this process with all the areas of the project. It is extremely fast and easy. If I want to calculate the area of the whole project, including walls and partitions, I will just need to click on the outside line of external wall, and Dibac will select everything inside that continuous wall.